Let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Here are the ingredients we'll be using to make our pizza. And you know a great pizza starts with a good crust. Now let's add 1½ tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, if you like the taste of garlic. If not, you can do away with the garlic altogether. It just makes for a good crust for me. Now, let's get back to adding our flour. We're adding it a little bit at a time and mixing it so that we can activate the gluten in the flour and make it nice and stretchy. Now I'm going to add flour and mix until my dough forms a ball and it becomes less tacky. It's not so sticky to touch. So once it gets to that place, then you can stop adding flour. Now my dough is right where I want it to be. It's not so sticky. I'm going to go ahead and mix the rest of the flour in by hand. Now let's cover this, set it over here in a warm spot, and let it rise for about an hour. Now it's time to prepare our toppings. Now that our toppings are done and our dough has risen, let's go ahead and stretch it and press it into a greased cookie sheet. If you have a pizza pan, go for it. Use whatever pan you'd like. Now I'm sifting just a light dusting of the garlic salt on the dough so that it will bring all the flavors together. Pricking the dough with a fork will prevent air bubbles from rising up. It will also allow my pizza to stay nice and flat. Now it's time to add the sauce. I'm adding about 1 cup of pizza sauce. Now it's time to assemble our pizza. And by the way, this pizza sauce is store-bought, but you can certainly make it homemade if you feel so inclined. I'm going to spread it out to the edge, as close to the edge of the dough that I can get it. Now the pizza is ready to go into the oven. I've preheated my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It will bake for 10-15 minutes. I'm pairing my pizza with a side salad, and this is my family's meal for tonight. 3 pizzas in one, all homemade. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This recipe is super easy, and you can customize it to meet your family's needs. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all be blessed. Bye.